So today's video is going to be going over lengths using the following measurements here. So we've got millimeters here, centimeters here, meters here, and kilometers here. We're going to be basically emphasizing the abbreviations more, the mm, cm, m, and km. Okay, but I'm going to include the full spelling of the word as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at these examples now. So we use units of different sizes to measure different things. So millimeters are small and kilometers are big here. Okay, so I've got the abbreviations of what these look like here. Okay, and then later on I'll show you some visuals. So we've got 10 millimeters, that equals 1 centimeter. We've got 100 centimeters, that equals 1 meter. And we've got 1,000 meters, that equals 1 kilometer. So the metric system is based on multiples of 10. For example, 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. All right, so again, the basic unit of length in the metric system is the meter here. So the different types of measurements you can use here are like the ruler, which as you can see here. There's a bigger one called the meter ruler, which sometimes can, open up and close like this, or it's just a longer version of the ruler. So you can use a tape measure as well, and the trundle wheel, which is basically used to measure larger, or I should say longer or greater lengths of things. As you can see here, there's a person walking with it. So as I said, I got some visuals here showing the metric system that's based on multiples of 10. So the ruler on top here shows what a 10 millimeter part of the ruler looks like and how it's equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, now the middle one here shows what 100 centimeters looks like to make up 1 meter in a meter ruler, or in some places we call it a yardstick. And then at the bottom here, we show what 1,000 meters looks like. That makes up 1 kilometer. Okay, now obviously, like it says above me, these are not to scale. So all I'm trying to do here is show you when you would use these rulers in a certain situation here. Okay, so I'm just trying to give you a better idea of when to do that. So looking at these three choices here, which is the most? We're going to circle the largest amount. So which one is the largest here? 1 meter, 1 kilometer, or 1 centimeter? Right, it's 1 kilometer. What about here? Which one is the most? Again, we're going to circle the largest amount. Is it 3 kilometers, 500 meters, or 3,040 meters? So again, look at this carefully and make sure you read it carefully as well. Right, it's 3,040 meters. So for the bonus activity, we're just going to answer the following below. I've got letters A, B, and C here, and then you're just going to write what the length is based on the amount that's already been given to you here. Okay, so I've got this one here, and then I've got 3 more here that's basically doing the same thing. Okay, so read what the lengths are and then write down what the equivalent or what the equal length is. So that's today's video, and as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video.